Hi lovelies, I hope you're doing great, like you're having a lovely day. So I just received a package from a brand and I've not used the package because I've not used the products yet, but I wanted guys to show you. So I received this package from a brand, a Korean skin brand, and they sent me this amazing products that I can't wait to share with you. Yeah, I can't wait to use, to test, and to share with you. Yes, the results will be how they will work for me. So this is the product. Yeah, the struggle is real. These are the products. So the brand is called Mixsoon. I hope I'm pronouncing it well. Like I'm so excited. So what are the products? We have the Mixsoon Centella Asiatica Toner. And then we have the hyaluronic acid serum. We have is the soybean milk pads. Yes. Then we have the Beefeeder ferment essence. The galactomyces is galactomyces ferment essence. Yeah. And the Sunni Centella Asiatica essence. And finally the bean essence. Like I've heard a lot about the bean essence and I can't wait to share with you guys. I want to use them. Then I will share with you a full detailed review of how the products will be for my skin, because I know that we all have different skin types and my skin type is acne prone. So I'm going to use this. Like currently I'm obsessed with Korean skincare brands. I've been using them a lot and I'm so excited to try this. And I want to thank you, Mixsoon, for sending me these amazing products. And I can't wait to use them and share with you guys like what the results will be. So stay tuned and see you next time. Mwah.